this may be the perfect stay for a weekend or a weekday, located just about 45 minutes out of Kansas City. Today we are in Grain Valley, Missouri, and behind me is the KCcabin. This is a 2023 build. It sits on 9.5 acres of private wooded land. It literally feels like you're in the middle of nowhere, but again, you're just less than maybe 40 minutes from downtown Kansas City. You're roughly 30 minutes from the Arrowhead and Royal stadiums. It's so close, yet so far away. Now it does sleep 6, it has 2 bedrooms, plus 2 additional bunk rooms that we're gonna see downstairs later on in the video. And you are close to Lake Lotawana. While you don't have access directly to the lake, you do have access to Marina 27, which is a phenomenal lakefront restaurant. Some of the best food in the area. And honestly, you really don't even need access to Lake Lotawana, because what they have in the back with the 24-hour hot tub pool, the new soaking tub, you've got your own privacy, your own water features. I can't wait to show you. Let's check it out. The interior is so dreamy right when you walk in. Again, it was built in 2023. It's roughly 1,300 square feet, and it sleeps 6 across 2 bedrooms and 2 additional bunk rooms downstairs. The main floor does feature what I would consider the primary suite. I love how it's got so much natural light. It feels so bright and open and bohemian almost. It's got a walk-in closet plus laundry on this level. Additionally, it does have a standing desk, so if you need to get a little bit of work done, this is a great space to do it in. I absolutely love both of the bathrooms on each floor. This one on the main level, you do get a little bit of a woods moment with that window view, which I think again helps to bring the outside in. The host here really took advantage of the space and made sure that it felt like a spa. The main living room is perfect if you're just hanging out or just want to simply relax, read a book, maybe even play a little bit of tic-tac-toe, which they've got on the table. Additionally, you have this gorgeous plant. I don't know exactly what the species is, but because of all the natural light that comes in and how tall the ceilings are in this space, it works extremely well. The kitchen is so dreamy, and I cannot get over this huge picture window. The views are phenomenal. I think just being on this type of setting in this lot where it's so treed and wooded, having this as your backdrop view while you're cooking, while you're entertaining, while you're just hanging out, whether in the kitchen or in the living room, which you can see it from there, it is such a dream. What's interesting about bedroom number 2 is yes, it's on the lower level, but it feels just as open and airy as bedroom number 1. I love that the wall color makes it feel a little bit more cozy. It does have a private bath plus plenty of storage in the closet, and you do get natural light that comes in from the egress windows. And this is the bunk nook for kids or for your smaller guests. Notice how they have the little flashlights underneath the pillows. I just think that is such a cute touch. And in this lower bed, there is a bonus room with some books, some pillows, some additional stuff for those kids that can fit in there. And what cabin like this would be completed without a Traeger grill? With a backdrop behind me, this large deck, you've got plenty of room for seating. It's a perfect place to hang out, grill, enjoy your family, your friends, and take in nature. So behind me, this is the newly installed soaking pool plus the water feature, plus you've got some seating as well. It's a great little setting. It feels like it's off by itself. It really takes advantage of the acreage that's around here. It's such a vibe. Okay, that wraps our tour for the KCcabin here in Grain Valley, Missouri. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and hopefully it gives you an idea of where you can book. I will link this in the description below. Shout out to the host, Jacqueline and Skylar. Now they are giving a 20% off discount if you book before July 15th. So again, I will link the listing in the description, and hopefully you get a chance to book. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.